you can use this juice for detox your body without the need for fast. But otherwise, you can just drink this and you still can get the health benefits them with this juice have to offer. Yes people, Father Googs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. You see, today I'm going to be making a broccoli juice. But you see, if you just blend up the broccoli just like that, it ain't gonna taste a bit off, or it not gonna taste right. So that's why I add the pear, the apple, and a nice piece of ginger. But don't get me wrong, if you can manage just the broccoli on its own, that would be good. But for me, I can't really manage it. Hence why I put them other health ingredients here inside it. So some of the ingredients I'm adding into this juice today, I add 4 broccoli stalks. And you see the broccoli, it can help the production of the red blood cell. It can help with brain function. The broccoli can also prevent cancer. It can help with blood clotting. The broccoli, it is also good for bone and with teeth health, cell production, and it is also good for your healthy vision. But you see the broccoli is one of 10 food that can detoxify our body without we have to go fast. I got 1 pear in it as well. And you see the pear now, it's highly nutritious. It has vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, copper, and many more inside it. It also may promote gut health. It contains beneficial plant compound. It has anti-inflammatory properties inside it, and it may offer anti-cancer effect. It is also linked to lowering the risk of diabetes. It may boost the heart health. It may help us to even lose weight. And guess what? It is very easy to add to our diet. You see the bottom line? Pear are a powerhouse fruit packed with fiber, vitamins, and beneficial plant compound. Apple, I'm going to be adding 1 apple to this juice. And you see the apple, them say an apple a day keep the doctor at bay. But the apple, it may also lower our cholesterol level. It may protect us against diabetes. It may prevent obesity. It may protect us against heart disease. It may be beneficial for even our bone health. I'm going to be adding a nice piece of ginger to this juice. And we know so the ginger have a long list of health benefits. Some of the benefits them, it can relieve nausea. It can help to treat the common cold and flu. It aids in digestion. It can also help us with stomach ulcer, reduce arthritis pain, help with liver. It can also help with weight loss, relieve muscle pain and muscle cramps, and it can also boost our heart health. Then I'm going to add 2 to 2.5 cups of water. So if you like the information what you're getting from Father Googs so far, just give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time Father Googs have posted a new video. So now let's just start the process of making that juice. Make sure say you wash your hand, you wash all your ingredients them. That's one of the most important thing, to wash off all of the germs and dirt off of them. So next what we want to do, we just want to cut up the ingredients really and just throw them in the blender. So just cut them up and just throw them in the blender just like that. Very simple and easy. Broccoli I broke up. Then with the pear, you want to just cut off the top and just slice it up really. Then just throw that in there. The apple, same way. Just cut up the apple and just drop it on the blender. Just a nice piece of ginger. Just like that. And then we're going to add the 2 to 2.5 cup of water to the mixture. There you have it. You know what I do now? Just lift it up a bit so you can see. Yeah, just put the top. Get this out the way, and then we're ready to start the ball rolling. So here you have it, people, all ready to start the process of blending. So basically we just have to blend it up till it's smooth, and then move on to the next step. So here you have it, people, all blend out nicely. So what we need to do, we need to just bring in a straining cloth, because we are going to strain off the juice and get that nice healthy juice out of it. So you can use a strainer, you can use a straining bag just like me. Basically, we just want to just strain off the juice really. And then that's it. That smells nice already. So here we have it, people, all finished. Let me just get my wooden spoon and give it a mix and just a proper taste and see what it tastes like. If you could want, you could squeeze a bit of lime in it if you want. Yeah, that tastes nice. Yeah, that just tastes fresh and nice. So what we need to do now, we need to just bring back a chopping board so we can get a nice glass, and then you can have a proper look. Just get a nice glass and then just throw the final product in it. So this is the final product, people. Broccoli juice. That's nice. So what I want to do now, just put some ingredients. Just kind of decorate it a bit. Presentation wise. Just like that. Nice apple. So here you have it, people. This is the final product. Broccoli juice with a bit of apple and some pear inside of it. And remember, you can use this juice for detox your body without the need for fast. But otherwise, you can just drink this and you still can get the health benefits them with this juice have to offer. So if you like the video today, just give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification if you haven't already done so. And always remember to share it with your friends, share it with the family, just share it. But for now, until next time, Father Googs is out.